A new industrial revolution is happening thanks to IoT. Smart manufacturing leverages full integrated, collaborative IoT-based systems that respond in real time to meet changing demands and conditions.
This is no easy task considering the myriad technologies, including Bluetooth, cellular, and Wi-Fi, used and the environments in which they must operate. With the right test equipment, engineers can meet the challenges associated with smart manufacturing. Solutions with simple test setup wizards and auto-ranging parameters can speed product approval and ensure accurate results. Unattended automated testing can let engineers run repeatable tests so they can focus on other design elements. Anritsu has a solution portfolio that can bring these advantages to engineers. For example, the MS2830A signal analyzer has specific options with standard measurement templates that make it easy to support current design requirements with the flexibility to upgrade as necessary. It is equally suited for R&D and production environments to conduct RF design verification. The MG3710A vector signal generator can generate 4 independently modulated signals from a single platform to greatly simplify setting up complex RF tests. Its intelligent touchscreen displays relevant parameters and predefined standards-compliant waveform patterns to save time and improve results. To verify machine-to-machine modules, there is the MT8821C that supports technologies from LTE Advanced to 3G and 2G and automatically performs pass-fail measurements. The traditional complex settings process is a thing of the past thanks to the MT8821C, which allows commonly used parameters and test parameter functions to be accessed with the touch of a button. Testing multifunction IoT devices and modules is made easy by the all-in-one MD8475A signaling tester with interactive Smart Studio interface. By eliminating the need to create complex test scenarios, Smart Studio assures time and cost-efficient measurements of highly integrated modules. The MT8860C one-box wireless LAN test set replaces complicated test systems that integrate power meters, spectrum analyzers, and gold ratios. The MT8860C is much easier to maintain and calibrate for more efficient testing in both design and production environments. For developing LTE advanced chipsets, there is the MD8430A with RTD software. Product development is accelerated because RTD offers intuitive test case creation by linking procedures with parameters using easy-to-understand setting screens. In production environments, the MT8870A can be configured with 4 test modules for simultaneous testing of all wireless standards to greatly increase throughput efficiency. Not only are measurements simplified, testing infrastructure costs are lowered and the test footprint is smaller. Another production tool that saves time and money is the market-leading Bluetooth test set MT8852B, which supports basic rate, enhanced data rate, and Bluetooth low-energy measurements. In production, a signal key pass initiates a script that tests a device in under 10 seconds. Smart manufacturing can present some complex test challenges for engineers designing IoT products.
Anritsu Test's portfolio can help simplify it while making it more efficient.
Learn more by visiting www.anritsu.com.